You would be surprised how many VA loans get delayed because veterans don't have their paperwork ready or really don't know what to grab. But the good news is that if you know what to gather up front, the process becomes extremely easy and a lot more stress-free. Hundreds of veterans start the VA loan journey, and the ones who prepare the right way are the ones who close faster and with less stress. Here's the catch though. What most banks don't tell you is what to have ready. So veterans end up chasing documents at the last minute and missing deadlines and feeling like the loan is falling apart. And it doesn't have to be that way, and it shouldn't be that way. Let me break it down real quick. So here's exactly what you're gonna need to apply for your VA loan so you can move forward with confidence. Number one, you need your certificate of eligibility. To get this, you need some form of proof of service. So for active duty, that's usually a statement of service. For veterans, it's usually your DD-214. For Guard or Reserve, it's a little bit more tedious, but you need your DD-214 and your point statement, and that verifies your eligibility. But to make your life a lot easier, just get with me or lender you trust and have them go to the VA portal, log in, input your social and your year of birth, and see if your certificate of eligibility populates. The second is income documents. Think 30 days of pay stubs, 2 years of W-2s, most recent years of W-2s, tax returns if you're self-employed, and then lenders just want to see steady income. The third is bank statements, at least your most recent 2 bank statements. And then even if the VA doesn't require a down payment, lenders still need to see what you have in your checking and savings is, assets that you want to use for the purchase. And this may sound crazy, and although I don't recommend it usually, even if you have only $50 in your account, you can literally still qualify for a house with a VA loan. Fourth is your credit history. Now, even if you don't have a credit score, you can still utilize your VA loan and purchase a house. Don't worry about perfection. This is about understanding what's there and not necessarily running from it. And so a good lender will make a game plan with you, if your credit needs to improve a little before you actually buy. Fifth is that you need personal IDs. Usually the common two that people use is your driver's license and your social security card. Now, you may need more documents if you own a home currently and you're purchasing another one, or you own investment properties. But these are the bulk of the items needed for the initial process to at least get pre-approved. And here's the reality. If you gather these documents up front, your loan process is just simply smoother and a lot faster. I've had veterans close in as little as 8 days because everything was ready. And then on the other hand, I've had loans drag out for weeks because we're tracking down docs at the last minute, and really how fast you move as the buyer is typically how fast the lender moves. And so preparation is really the main difference. Getting a VA loan isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. And so when you have the right documents up front, you as the buyer take control and make your process a lot smoother and a lot more simple. Get your playbook, hit subscribe, and let's get ready to buy your house.